Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of tongue for histology practical and slide. There are 5 identification points of tongue. Number 1 is there will be taste buds. Number 2, lingual papilla. Number 3, anterior lingual glands. And number 4, lingual tonsils. And number 5, there will be skeletal muscle inside the tongue. These are the 5 identification points of tongue for histology, practical and slide. And I already upload the detailed slide identification video on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video, and now I will upload this identification points video also. On my YouTube channel you can find all general histology, special histology, slide detail identification video, and every video slide identification points video. With each video you will find identification points also for practical and slide. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you new to my channel, subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon and open all notification in order to you receive my every new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.